I'm dressed like a Disney Channel main character today, or side character. I like the clashing prints. What do you think, sister?
I like it.
I like it too. My hair looks good too. Cause I use this thing. This is the best fucking thing ever. This Revlon like one step blowout. It's unreal. I put on this new lipstick that I got from my mom for Christmas. It's, no, that's not it. It's from MAC, which is like such a throwback, and it's gorgeous. It's called Bated Breath. Beautiful, beautiful. Kit's birthday is on the 2nd, so we're gonna take some photos for her. A lot faster than I thought they would. Wow, 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 wow.
Guess what?
What?
We made this.
We did make this. We made all this. We got guac, we got turkey burgers, we got grilled onion, we got sweet potato fries. Who's ready for a good time?
This girl.
I'm like channeling my inner theater kid right now. I'm going to help my acting coach on set this afternoon. And I don't know, one thing led to another, and suddenly I'm like, literally hand me a clipboard. I'm ready to direct the play. I feel like such a theater kid today, which I'm happy about. So in the spirit of it being the new year, I wanted to, I don't know, I felt like it wouldn't be right to post my first vlog of the new year without talking a little bit about what my intentions are and kind of like a little bit of a reflection / getting into the vibes of 2022 and like some of my goals. I did write some notes in my notebook. Of course. I'm trying to meditate and journal and reflect again in the mornings. I was really, really good about it over the summer. And then once like the fall and the holidays hit, couldn't be me. Didn't even know where my notebook was. I literally just found it, so perfect timing. So here's Emma's philosophy on New Year's resolutions that no one asked for. You're welcome. Also want to throw up a trigger warning because I just want to talk a little bit about body stuff, and I know I always appreciate a trigger warning. I've always been a little bit jaded about resolutions, and I think a lot of that comes from previous resolutions being mostly body focused, about my diet, restricting my weight, aesthetic things, like aesthetic changes that I wanted to see, and all of them coming from this place of insecurity, of self-hatred. It wasn't really, I feel like it'd be one thing if it was really because I wanted to make positive changes and lifestyle changes and really focus on like the nutrients behind all the different foods, but it really came from a place of insecurity and wanting to be the smallest version of myself possible. And that kind of led me feeling jaded about resolutions, kind of just based on the fact that I feel like I burned myself with them. Not that I need to like manipulate myself or like trick myself into goal setting, but I really do believe in intentions versus resolutions, because resolutions to me just feels like if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, then a lot of negative self-talk comes with that and a lot of like regret or disappointment. Versus intention, it's something that's a little bit more active. Hello. It feels a little more active. It's like I'm actively intending on doing something, versus a resolution feels a little bit more like 0 to 100, and again, that could just be based on my past. All that to say, goal setting and like going out and getting something that I want that is my love language. Like I could talk about goal setting and like achieving those goals and all of the things that I want to do for my career and all of the things that I'm actively manifesting and working on accomplishing, because baby girl, I'm always working on my acting career. Ever since I can remember, like I've always been just incredibly goal and career driven and oriented, and like that's number one priority, sometimes to a fault, but that's kind of my bread and butter. So it's like without a doubt the fact that I'm like manifesting and making all of these goals, like that happens on a daily basis for me. It's just these more like broader resolutions that it doesn't really sit well with me. So if we're talking intentions, I want to continue to just be more self-reflective, have more moments of quiet. And one of the biggest things that I want to do this year is try new things. Now I know that's like very vague, but I have a list of things that I already want to accomplish and I already want to try. And a lot of the intention behind that is, first of all, getting out of the house, because I am going stir crazy in this house. Secondly, I want to have new experiences. I want to put myself in uncomfortable positions because I think in order to grow, you need to do things that you don't want to do. You need to do new things, try things that your body needs to like learn to adapt to. And then third, I think all of these new experiences will help make me an even more well-rounded, educated person. Also a better artist, a better actor, a better friend, girlfriend, daughter. I want to have new experiences because I feel like so much of the last like 6 months, I've been depressed in my house, very isolated, and I even, none of these things have to be with another person, but even just with myself, putting myself in new experiences, I mean, I can only just like learn new things by doing that. Like it's just like, it will inherently help me to better my relationship with myself, better my relationship with things around me. I'm really wanting to kind of tap into my femininity and independence and learn a little bit more about womanhood. As I continue to age, I want to welcome that. Because by another side note, I am so scared of getting older, and I'm thinking that if I'm getting all these new experiences and I'm trying all these new things, that it might help me accept age and aging. I do have to remind myself that the last few months of being as depressed as I've been, that doesn't mean my future is going to be like that, and I don't want to have a cynical view of 2022, especially, we're in this new year, and I fear that if I'm not one to kind of wipe over and brush over how I'm feeling. I always try to honor how I'm feeling because I think bad feelings are just as important as good ones, but I think there's also a difference between having a more jaded, cynical view on the future because I've been feeling a type of way more recently. I just want to stay open and vulnerable. As soon as I close myself off, down goes any connection points between me and other people, you included. Out goes my acting career, because if I'm not able to access within, if I am shut, then I can't properly tell stories. I'm not available. It affects my relationship with my boyfriend, my friendship, my relationship with my parents. I need to stay open and receptive, and that's kind of what I want to lead with. That's my intention. And with all of that, that does not encompass all of the goals that I have for my acting career. Believe me, I really believe in the power of manifestation, and when I'm journaling in the mornings, I have one page where I'm reflecting on how I'm feeling in the moment, and then I always have one page where I'm writing in present tense about future events that haven't yet happened, but I know they will, because power of manifestation and then actually working towards the goals, baby, because it's one thing to just write down what you want, but you have to actually work towards it as well. I'm off my soapbox now. Look at my lip gloss. Love it. I'd love to know some of your intentions for the new year, and I am really excited because I'm actually filming a lot of different series about trying new things. So you're gonna see a lot of fashion thrifting vlogs. You're gonna see challenges like me trying new things, and of course the vlogs that I love making so much. I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is just gonna open a lot for content purposes, and it's gonna be really, really cool. I'm really excited about it. Yeah, this is the first vlog of 2022, and I'm really, really excited. I already feel just ready. And that's a big difference between how I felt literally 2 weeks ago when I posted a very self-reflecty kind of vlog on Christmas. But anyway, I'm actually going to journal because I have yet to do it, and then head out to set. Bye! Oh my gosh, this is a struggle. Birthday girl! Birthday girl gets her coffee in bed. Oh my god, thank you! Thank you, Emmy. You're welcome.
Is the song stuck in your head?
Happy birthday, Mr. President. Birthday girl's getting ice cream. Ice cream for dinner. I need actual dinner though. And that's and that's the difference between you and me. I have class and you don't. What if I do a vlog better than my birthday vlog from last year so I can see how I've grown?
There it is.
Birthday cone. Guys, I literally just walked like 2 miles carrying these huge bags of groceries. Like, look at my shoulders. That is red from like holding it. Oh my lord. I need some water. It's a new year. It's a new week. I did a huge grocery run. Well, honestly, it would have been bigger if I was driving, but I was just like out and about and walked by Trader Joe's, decided to pop in. So I thought I would share with you guys like the first grocery run of 2022. Kind of crazy. Not really, but like to me. Anyway, these are some things that I picked up. These are like staples for me and Nick. I did stop by like a normal grocery store in addition to Trader Joe's just to get some like supplementary things like arugula because Trader Joe's was out. Mint pizza sauce. Nick wants, steak tonight, so I picked up like thin lean steak. I don't know. I want this. I've been getting these a lot. It's like these ready rotisserie chicken shredded kind of thing. So convenient and delicious. It's like literally rotisserie chicken. Now the rest is from Trader Joe's. Okay, parsley. I'm gonna make a little salad tonight. I recently discovered these lemony arugula basil salads, like these pre-packaged salads, and these are phenomenal. Some kefir for Nicholas. Normally, I try not to do like these packaged vegetables, but because I was on foot, I got 2 broccoli bags. I'm gonna make this tonight. Got a big cucumber for tonight. This is a new discovery, these branzino fillets. Oh my goodness, these are so well seasoned, really easy to heat up, very delicious, and super high in protein. Like one fillet has 21 grams of protein. And another new find is this vegetable stir fry. It's all seasoned and ready to go, and it's made with zucchini like zoodles. Okay, that was bag 1. Imagine carrying that. Plot twist, there's the second one. A medley of peppers. Delish. The best dark chocolate. This Uganda dark chocolate is so good. It's like very rich and smooth, and it just tastes so good. It's not bitter even though it's 85%. Just some tomatoes and lemons and limes. I was worried that these might break when I was walking, and we're good. Eggs. Got Alaskan salmon. This stuff is so good. Grape tomatoes for dinner tonight. Got some just like chicken tender breast things. They're great. I usually have Nick grill it, and then we have them throughout the week, and I can just toss them on salads. It's kind of like the alternative to buying this guy. I got this tri-colored quinoa, which I'm gonna make tonight. I'm making like a quinoa salad, so it's gonna have baby tomatoes, cucumbers, mint, parsley, and sumac seasoning. It's gonna be delicious. And then I'm also gonna chop up some romaine and have that in it too. Oh my god, no wonder I was in pain. I decided that this was the appropriate time to get jasmine rice. when I'm walking 2 miles, my traps are gonna kill me tomorrow, but that's fine. And then lastly, I got some potatoes, but I also got some Japanese sweet potatoes, which are so sweet and delicious. So Nick's request was these russet ones, and I love Japanese potatoes, especially putting them in salads like at Sweet Green. Love that for a quarter of the price. Goodbye, little babies. Baby broccoli. See you when you're roasted.